a $1,200 poop emoji maker.
Is this poop or ice cream?
Oh no. Lincoln.
What?
Time to get up, buddy.
That was loud and bright.
Yee, we got the iPhone. It's the $1,200 poop emoji. Oh. Is it poop or ice cream?
It's definitely poop.
Well, good morning, buddy. This is the first time that you've been woken up by a pile of poop.
Yeah, maybe the last.
Today is the day. It is the most requested video in a very long time. We have never, ever done an iPhone. Today we got the iPhone 10. This is finally a phone that Lincoln is excited to cut open for the same reason that I think a lot of you, our viewers, are excited for it. One thing. The poop emoji. The poop emoji. There's a zipper right underneath the poop down there. Unzip me. Happy iPhone day. Down here, I think it's ice cream.
It's not ice cream.
It's ice cream. It's chocolate ice cream with eyes on it. Either way. This feels really good in my hands.
I want to hold it.
Hold it. So the side of this phone is beautiful stainless steel. It is so clean and nice.
Can you see my face? Yay!
So it's gotta be the worst face setup in the history of face setups. And now for the moment of truth, the moment we've all been waiting for. That frowny face! Whoa!
I bet it looks so ridiculous.
It's just following your face. That frowny face. Do the frowny face again. It's so funny. Okay, it is cooler than I thought it would be. I'm being honest here. Okay, Lincoln, push record. Send your first emoji message.
Can you see me? Is this poop or ice cream?
Apple, I was making fun of it being a $1,200 emoji machine, and it's actually cool. I like it.
Oh, it's so cool.
Is it worth buying this phone just for the emojis?
Yeah.
Okay, you heard it here first. But I have one more test.
Is this poop or ice cream?
No, don't.
Poop emoji. I'm making it. Let's get some eyeballs on there.
Is this poop or ice cream?
And then, how do you like that, Lincoln? What is it, Lincoln? Listen, it's still going. How does ice cream do with the iPhone 10? Now you know.
Is this
No, iPhone 10.
Look at that. I say ice cream. He says it's poop.
Is this poop or ice cream?
Let us know in the comments what you think. Why do you have a bunch of poop emoji in your mouth? We cleaned off the iPhone. It is really cold. Let's get inside of this thing. That's what you came here for, right? Well, you got more than you wanted with the poop and the ice cream emoji. Let's destroy this thing. Look at that little nut burn. The metal is cutting through and it did have some sparks, so you can actually see the inside of it and then look at the back. We cracked the back glass. I'm sure there's gonna be videos on how to fix these and how to repair them, but the latest news has shown that it's over $300 just to replace the back glass.
That's crazy.
Which is a lot of money.
If you are getting this phone, buy a case and keep it safe.
The phone is still working, but we've got an emergency warning. It's hot right here. Let's see if it works now. Oh, it's on. Face ID still works.
Face ID still works.
We've almost gone along the entire side. It is strong metal. It's taken a while. I think we might need to change up our strategy here. Oh no. Oh boy. Does it still work? We officially killed it. It is dead. We got fire, we got sparks. I accidentally punctured the battery. Do we do a jerry-rig bend test here?
Is that stronger than you can completely snap it?
First, you place your blade underneath and you gently pry away the glue on the screen, doing it enough to not damage the other parts.
He sounds much more soothing, like I want to fall asleep when he's talking.
Sliding my pry tool around the edge of the glass, taking special care not to touch the display, which is more